Hello friends, welcome back. Welcome to another analysis section. In this video, we will discuss about Gabriel India Limited, a company with good results and stock showing a clear growth potential. So don't miss this video. We can consider this stock for long term as well as short term portfolio. Before going to the video, I have a small request. If this content would be informative to you, please click on subscribe button and the like button. It will be a great support for making new videos for you. So let's go to the video. Okay friends, first we can check some basic details of this company. Gabriel India Limited is an Indian automotive industry established in 1961 and they have overseas market in Europe, Africa, Middle East, Asian Pacific regions, China, Russia, etc. And the company produces and supplies high quality ride control products for automotive industry, participating in all segments like passenger cars, utility vehicles, commercial vehicles and two-wheelers. At present, this company has 6 plants with a total manufacturing capacity over 10 million shock absorbers, studs and front forks. The company caters to the requirement of all segments, original equipment, replacement market and export for application in 2, 3, 4-wheelers as well as for Indian Railways. And the company manufactures over 300 models of ride control products and they have the vision to be among the top 5 shock absorber manufacturers in the world by 2025. While we looking at these basic details itself, we can definitely say this company heading towards a bright future in the coming years. And now we can check the stock returns. While we checking the stock returns pattern, we can see that it's a company giving very good and fair return to investors, because on 1 year time frame the stock will give us 66.72% of returns, and on 6 month time frame the stock will give 32.49% of returns, and on 1 month time frame the stock will give us 20.44% of returns. So definitely this is a company giving very good return to its investors in short term as well as long term. Now we can check the quarterly result of this company and make some comparison with the past result. The net profit of the company amount to rupees 12 crore in the quarter ended June 2021 as against the net loss of rupees 23.78 crore during the year ago period. And we can see the sales rose up to 269.21% to rupees 454 crore in the latest quarter when we compare with the year ago period. So the sales figures are very attractive to watch year by year, and we can expect more and more demand for the company's product in the coming future, and it will definitely lead the company towards an ultimate growth. Now we can take a quick view of the chart, and after that we will discuss about some points to be noted related with this company. This is the 1 day time frame chart of Gabriel India and I use Heikin-Ashi candles here. We can see a clear bull run of the stock for the last 1 week with huge volume candles, and there is not much important levels to mark in this chart. One important level to be noted is the previous resistance at 134 rupees price range, but that level got a breakout, and if the price comes down, that level will be act as a support for this stock. So mark this key level in your chart and analyze this chart with using other indicators available. Now we can take a look at some important points to be noted related to this company. It's a company with very low debt and zero promoter pledge, and strong cash generating ability from its core business can be also witnessed because improving cash flow from its operations for the last 2 years. And we can see growth in operating profit with increase in operating margins, and the stock has in a clear bullish momentum because the price was above short, medium and long term moving averages, and the stock has been generating better return on equity, and this is a very good time to consider this stock because it was not in an overbought zone. So this is the end of this analysis video, and it is not a stock recommendation, it's only for educational purpose. And I have a small request: do not invest blindly, study about this company, study about the financial details, and then only make a good decision. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please click on subscribe button for more updates like this. Thank you all.